Dora! It's so good to see you!
You too, buddy. It's been a while. Emma, this is my friend Baby Jaguar. I've known him since he was just a little guy. Hi!
Hi, Emma! But Dora, it's not Baby Jaguar anymore, just Jaguar, okay?
Oh, okay, baby. I mean, Jaguar, you have grown quite a bit.
Yep, and listen to my Jaguar growl. Well, I'm working on it.
Dora! Whoa, who's that? He's my cousin, Diego. Hola, primo.
Hola, prima. Looks like your friend here has switched places with a bird, huh?
How did you know?
Lucky guess. Ven, por favor.
Diego, this is my good friend, Emma.
Hi. How does it feel being a bird, Emma?
Well, the flying is cool, but I don't want to stay this way.
We can help. How did this happen, Dora?
Emma and the bird were singing together and suddenly they switched places.
Oh, yeah. I've heard about that kind of thing happening.
Naya told us the only way to switch us back is if we sing together again, but she won't sing.
She won't sing, huh? My field journal can help us figure out why. Primero, we need to find out what kind of bird she is. Our bird has blue wings, so we need to find the birds with the blue wings. Which birds have blue wings? See, these birds have blue wings. Our bird has a yellow throat. Which birds in the field journal have a yellow throat?
Yes, this one and that one.
And how many toes does our bird have on the front of its foot?
Uno, dos, tres.
3 toes. Look closely at the pictures. Which of these birds has 3 toes on the front of its foot?
Ese.
That's the bird. It's a zorzal cantador. Great finding. It says in my field journal that these birds only sing when they're together with the other birds in their flock.
But the flock flew away. Then we have to find the flock or I'll be a bird forever.
Miren, these birds make their home near the rainforest waterfall. We can go there to find them in my rescue truck.
Ahí vienen! The birds are coming back! This is it, Em. Now you'll be able to sing together and switch back.
This better work.
I wanna be me. If we could sing together, go back where we're supposed to be. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. She's singing! Sing with her, Em. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. It's me! I'm back! I'm back!
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.